Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add like a background when your camera's off, or like for instance you don't have a camera on Zoom but you kind of just want to like show up kind of. So select new meeting here, and as you can see the camera is on right now but it's just like closed. So if I turn off the video, as you can see, I won't be able to add in like any backgrounds or effects. But if you select choose avatar, you can also choose from these, or like you can even create a new one. Select any avatar you like, for instance this. And as you can see, it'll show up, and it'll also show the background and kind of like you talking. It just uses your like your voice to kind of like talk, like make the avatar talk, which I think is pretty cool. So like this is the only way if you like want to show like a background or something if your camera is either off or you don't have one. So yeah, that is it. If your camera is off, you can still just add like a background. I mean, if it's like closed off, because like my camera like has like this like closing thingy. Don't know what it's called, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel, sorry, if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.